Imagine this: you're parked beside a quiet alpine lake, the morning mist rolling over the water, coffee brewing just a few steps from your bed, all inside a camper van that's no longer than a regular parking space. That's the magic of the new Pössl Summit Shine 600L, a compact luxury van that's smarter than it looks and way roomier than you'd expect. At first glance, it's just another sleek European camper. But step inside, and you'll quickly realize it's hiding more comfort and clever engineering than some full-size motorhomes. So today, let's explore how this little van manages to deliver big luxury without giving up the freedom that makes van life so addictive. Let's start with the outside. The Summit Shine 600L sits on the tried-and-true Fiat Ducato chassis, powered by a 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's smooth, refined, and surprisingly quiet, perfect for those long highway stretches or narrow European roads. The design language is modern but understated: clean lines, subtle chrome accents, and a body-colored front bumper that gives it a premium automotive look rather than that commercial van vibe. It's 6 meters long, that's roughly the size of a large SUV, yet every inch is used thoughtfully. From the integrated step and hidden service ports to the large rear doors that open wide for easy loading, Pössl clearly designed this van with both weekend travelers and full-timers in mind. And while it looks simple on the outside, it's when you open that sliding side door that the Summit Shine really starts to shine. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is light, lots of it. Pössl uses large panoramic windows, a bright interior palette, and LED ambient strips that make the cabin feel open and airy. The front lounge is cozy yet functional. You've got the driver and passenger seats that swivel around to face the dining area, a sturdy folding table, and a side bench that comfortably fits 2 adults. This is where morning coffee turns into late-night chats, and where small space design feels truly premium. And here's what's clever: the table slides and folds, making it easy to access storage or move around without knocking your knees every time you get up. Above the cab, you'll find additional storage cabinets, soft close, of course, and everything feels solid, not flimsy. That's German craftsmanship at its finest. Move a few steps back, and you enter the compact kitchen, and this is where Pössl's design team gets creative. Despite the small footprint, you get a 2-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink, and a large 84-liter compressor fridge that opens both ways, super convenient whether you're cooking inside or grabbing a drink from outside. There's even a slide-out spice rack, multiple drawers with soft-close runners, and an extension flap that expands your countertop space for meal prep. But here's the hidden gem: the indirect LED lighting under the cabinets makes this kitchen glow at night. It feels warm, luxurious, and incredibly functional, perfect for those cozy evenings when you're parked somewhere beautiful, cooking dinner while watching the sunset through the side window. Now, this is where the Summit Shine 600L separates itself from most small camper vans: the bathroom. At first glance, it looks like a compact wet bath. But then, you notice something unusual. With a simple slide-in pivot, the entire wall system transforms, revealing a full hidden shower compartment that feels surprisingly spacious. This is Pössl's signature Vario bathroom system, and it's genius. You get a proper toilet, sink, and shower area, all tucked behind elegant walls that fold and slide with precision. The waterproof flooring, built-in shelves, and separate LED lighting make it feel more like a mini hotel bathroom than something squeezed into a van. And when you're done, everything folds back into place, freeing up hallway space again. It's small space engineering done right, no gimmicks, just solid design. At the back, you'll find the twin bed layout, one of the most comfortable in its class. 2 single beds that can easily convert into a large double bed, with thick, high-quality mattresses and proper slat supports underneath. Underneath those beds is a massive storage garage, easily accessible from both inside and outside. Perfect for folding chairs, e-bikes, or even small surfboards. You also get USB ports, reading lights, and adjustable headrests, everything designed for comfort and practicality. And here's a detail you'll appreciate: the ventilation and insulation. The Summit Shine uses high-quality materials that keep the cabin cool in summer and warm in winter, ideal for true year-round adventure. Now let's talk about some of the features that make living in this van even better. Truma Combi 6 heating system for both air and water. Multiple 230V outlets and USB charging points. Optional solar setup on the roof. Large fresh and wastewater tanks. And even a high-mounted skylight that brings in extra daylight over the beds. The 8-speed automatic gearbox deserves a special mention. It makes driving this camper smooth and effortless, especially on long trips or steep climbs. And because it's built on the latest Fiat Ducato platform, you get modern safety tech like lane assist, hill descent control, and even adaptive cruise in higher trims. So, what do you think of the new Pössl Summit Shine 600L? Would you take this smart, compact van on your next road trip, or do you prefer something bigger and more traditional? Drop your thoughts below. I'd love to know which feature impressed you the most, the hidden bathroom or the smart twin bed setup. The Pössl Summit Shine 600L proves that luxury doesn't have to mean large. It's about thoughtful design, clever use of space, and the freedom to travel anywhere without leaving comfort behind. Whether you're chasing sunsets along the coast or waking up to mountain views, this van gives you everything you need, right where you need it, and nothing you don't. It's proof that small really can feel big when it's designed the right way. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more detailed motorhome reviews, and share this video with someone planning their next van life adventure. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring.